Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So Usanele managed to get the money for Ilo ransom Gantanz, and Ntanzi called him to say these are the instructions. When you're supposed to walk, you're supposed to walk alone. No police, no babamncane, no babdladla, no nothing. I will send you a location to where you're supposed to drop the money, and umbali uzombona, and uzombona after usesithathe imali from you. Ayizwa indaba. You walk, no phone, no nothing, alone, no police. Usibuye uthi hayi le plan is not gonna work. No wonder nice, this plan is not gonna work. Because yamazi uNtanzi. What if uNtanzi analyze both of you acede lapha athathe le mali and sizokwazi kanjani? Usanele uthi this is Ntanzi's game and we should play it ngendlela yena afuna ngakhona, and do as he says. Ngihambe ngizokhona ukwenza njani kubuya nozama because kunombali, because I feel like I'll be putting impilo yakhe in danger should I decide not to do or take my instructions wakhe. Usibuya uyalo uthi there's no way I'm gonna let you do that. Uthi uSanele ngisebenze kakhulu kabi, we've been trying nebafana bakho Solonethi namthola but animtholi. This one, stay away from it, I will do it on my own. Nayembala vele uSanele went uphinda vele nje. Umbali uyambuza ukuthi nje njengoba manje they are laughing on the other side wena ulana uyagada. Do you think that they consider you as a family member or usebenzi sabo na? Uphinda uthi I know ukuthi I'm sleeping with the devil. That one I know my girl. Don't get me nje confused. Uthi hayi kungcono umwazi because kuyoba buhlungu kanjani when you realize sekulate ukuthi hey you were sleeping with the devil. So uSanele washo vele wayala. Baba omncane drove him wamshiya somewhere in a place, so he had to walk, and wambona vele nakanjani uZama uphinda was there, bamkhipha ke uZama. Wathi uSanele when uPablo called him, uSanele wathi yena I want to see a face. Wathi uPablo hey wena shiya imali lapho, bheka imali uzomthola umuntu wakho. Wase ngifuna ukukhuluma naye efonini bamnikeza ke washo umbali wathi yena no I'm fine. uSanele wabeka imali, he walked towards umbali, and umbali was kneeling down laphayana, put something over her head. Usanele couldn't see the face, and when Usanele got there, turns out that it was not umbali. Some random girl who says that yena bamthola endleleni bamforce ukuze angene emotweni and change clothes into that. Usanele was like, wait, what? Sathi usamangela ingene coming from uZama saying uyazi wena uziphukuphuku, you are so stupid. Angikaze ngabona indoda estupid njengawe. Solufela uthando mfana, I will have the last laugh. I will have the last life. Asakwatanga uSanele. Sanibonani. By the way, guys, I think that uSanele should know by now that uPablo doesn't say that I'm going to do this and aphinde ayende lento leyo. I think we've seen on the previous episode where uZama took charge of business lakamagwaza when uMayor Sibongile handed everything to the Ntanzis, and uZama was in charge, and uZama went to abasebenzi and told them that you know what, manje thina bakwaNtanzi ngithi siyiphethe lento, and you know what, nizoyithola imali, sizosebenza, sizoganya, and everything would be to rules. Angifuni ukuva ukuthi gwaza bebaniphatha kanjani and what and what. Ekugcineni we are the Ntanzis and siyiphethe lento and it's gonna work, and then nizoyithola imali. How kwicici umbali wasejikile saying that no, you know what, they were sitting drinking champagne, and uphinda was like these people can work nje, and even nale mali singayafula. Umbali wathi yeah, we can do that, and they went back to abasebenzi to say you know what guys, sesicabeke kabusha, I feel like you guys should work more hours, imali inciphe. And we're like silonga nenkinga naloko akaphuma emsebenzini. So like lithemba for bona nje is something that you shouldn't. And uSanele experienced uPablo yena first hand experienced uPablo when he called him and planned a meeting. Was hey, I want us to come sit down and talk about how we can resolve this issues. He's a family and all that. And uPablo went there wearing what, a bullet vest, and uSanele what, trying to analyze him. Go to Pablo was like, you know what, you were under arrest for what, attempted murder. just like that. So I don't understand what made Usanele think that this time around he's gonna be successful Leon. Because Upablo is always gang steps ahead. Upablo is always planning. And I said on on my last review to say that I don't think that Usanele is gonna get Uzama. Umbali, I mean. The way Uzama amzanda ngakhona kumbali. I don't know if they're going to get Umbali. And buka manje. He went and did all that, got imali, wayihlanganisela konke njena, and it turns out that Pablo still says, ulibele. It's because of love, we guys. Is it love the right thing to love, Mar? Begs the question to say, if you love someone, how far are you willing to go? And how, like, which signs are you willing to turn a blind eye kuwona? Because I feel like if Usanele went in there ngengcondo and not ngelithando, not ngenhlitiyo, I feel like he should have seen ukuthi hayi man, something is wrong. First, but I should walk ngenyawo to a place where I don't know. That means that you don't have a backup. And should this thing turn out not to be what you wanted it to be or what you thought it would be, uzubaleka kanjani? Because now you have to walk. So manje Usanele find someone who is not Umbali there wearing umbhalo isihlotsi funa bahambe bonke ngeenyawo manje bamasho uzomisa apho Usanele kusisi because akamazi nasisi nayo uthi angimazi nombhali. What are you going to do? He doesn't have I'm sure ukuthi njena bavale banyamalala nje. And leskomle bakuso this place that they are at, I don't think it's eZulwini. I think it's far away from eZulwini. Ufonela ubaba omncane umshiye like far behind. What is he going to do now that they they took Umbali and they still have her and ubanikeza 5 million? And the 5 million, remember, he sold the business yakubo. So manje they don't have a source of income. Manje ifamily kaMagwaza, they don't have a source of income, they don't have Umbali. Kanjani? Like Untanzi has been getting away with a lot of things. Untanzi has been getting away with a lot of things, and Usanele has been there to witness that. But Umagamo handlisha Untanzi all the time. When he'll just decide now and go and do it. Go to Untanzi akafuni lokho guys. Untanzi ufuna umhlalele phansi and plan now, because now he sits down and plan. Everything he does, he plans it. He's not the kind of guy who's just gonna wake up and say, you know what, sengiyakhona sesiyakulwa. You know what, sesiyakhona sesiyakobalanza. No, he sits down and plan everything. And the Uzama is there to help him. Oh, Uzama unemaplan we guys. Uzama unemachinga. Uzama has a lot of clingers. She managed to go to keep babakhe jail. Coming with my plans nje. She managed to get babakhe out of jail. Lithando tosibulala we guys. I don't know what I feel like this point Usanele is proving to all of us ukuthi lithando tosibulala. At some point you need to make my decisions. Ungasawafaka enhlitweni. The humiliation that came with Uzama calling Usanele and saying that uSphuphu. I'm wondering how he was feeling. I'm thinking how he was feeling. Say, how would it feel like if it was you? So back to I see total 5 meter and there's nothing you're gonna do. Must think something else better. It's more like that. Because if we need more, if we need something else, if we're gonna need more money, be ready because it's Tandan Sakusila. And manje, I'm asking the question as, are they going to go? Because the plan was they get the money and then they leave. Right, in South Africa, because bona ma wanted like a serious. Now the question is, are they going to go now, or they gonna stick around and try again? Perform a new group pela and soldiers and everything, because much they have mal to do that. Guhamba, is it still on their plan now, or they're planning on organizing something like creating something from the ground and have the people, because somehow they managed to get my boys. They don't have money, they don't have anything to pay them with. But somehow they got my boys to go with Upinda to do this, to execute this plan. Because Upinda is an executor, right? So they got Upinda, and my boys to go and get to the man and Naloya sister and force her to dress like and to, you understand? So now the question is, are the Tanzans planning on leaving South Africa like the plans were, or they are planning on starting a new thingy, creating it from the ground. Because uZama washo when they took all the money to bribe uSibongile, they should get uNtanzi out, and they said that uMpangazitha started everything from the ground with 0%. We will start from scratch. So manje bana 5 meter. Will they be able to build something new? Are they going to go now? Or are they going to build something new from the ground to come and destroy one person's Zulin food?